Hi children, what is written here? Read with me. Find the numerals. We learned to spell and recognize the number names. Yes, from 1 to 30. Yes, so up to 30, any number you can recognize and say, this is the number. Today we are going to do a short exercise from within 20 to 30. I am going to give you the numbers name. You spell, you look and tell me the numeral. So you will be given number name. You will find the numeral for me. It's a lovely exercise. So what are we doing today? Find the numerals for the given number name. I hope you'll enjoy this exercise. It's very good. Look carefully and tell me. Let's look at our first number name and you find for me the numeral. Can you? Look what you have here. Read aloud and see. Spell and see. We have two words here. What is this first word? Spell out. T-W-E-N-T-Y. What is that? Good. 20. And what is this? O-N-E-1. So what is this? 21. Very good. So we write the number here. 2 and 1, 21. You looked at the number name. You are able to tell me the numeral of this number name. So 21, 22 and 1, 21. And this is the name. These numbers name. Very good. Shall we take another number name? Look, spell and find for yourself the numeral. Look what you have. Look, there are two words here. Read aloud. What is this? T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. N-I-N-E. 9. So what will be the numeral? 29. 29. 2 and 9. 29. Very good. So you learn to spell and recognize and say, this is 29. And we write down here 2 and 9, 29. Did you enjoy the exercise? Shall we take another number name? And you find me the numeral. Look what you have here. What is it? There are two words here. Come on. Good. 20. Very good. F-O-U-R. 4. 24. Very good. 24. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. F-O-U-R. 4. So you're able to see 24. 2 and 4. 24. So you found the numeral and you write it as 2, 4. 2 and 4, 24. How do you spell it? 24. Very good. Did you enjoy it? Good. Let's take another exercise for us to enjoy. Look what we have here. This is T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. And this S-E-V-E-N. 7. So what you will get? What's the numeral? 27. Very good. 2 and 7. 27. 27. 2 and 7. 27. Very good. You learn to look at this. One side you must say 20. And you must say here 7. 2 and 7, 27. Did you enjoy? Let's look at our next number name and guess the numeral. Spell it out for me. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. T-H-R-E-E. What is that? 3. 23. Very good. So what's the numeral you're getting? 2 and 3. 23. Very good. 2 and 3. 23. 23. 23. You write it as 2 and 3. 23. Did you enjoy? Shall we take another exercise? Good. Look, you have a number name here. Look, spell it aloud. T, come on, W-E-N-T-Y, 20, 6, S-I-X, 6, 2, 6, 2 and 6, 26, very good. So we get the number 2 and 6, 26, one side you must say 26. When you look at the number name, oh, this is 20, 6, 2 and 6, 26. So you found the numeral. Did you enjoy finding the numeral? Good. Shall we look at another exercise? Look at this number name, what I'm given you. Look, what is it? T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. And this one? T-W-O, 2. 22. 2 and 2, 22. Excellent. 2 and 2, 22. 22. You write 22 as numeral 2 and 2, 22. You look at this, you must say, oh, the spelling says this is the number name for this number. Good. Did you enjoy? Shall we take another number name? Yes. Look at the number name we have here. Spell it aloud. First one. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. E-I-G-H-T. 8. 2, 8. 28. 2 and 8. 28. 2 and 8. 28. Very good.